Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to make that video that you just saw by simply using Clipchamp, the AI in Clipchamp. All you have to do, upload pictures and select the music, and Clipchamp will do everything else for you very easily. Let's see how I did it. First, we go to clipchamp.com, and I will put a link in the description for you to access it. Then we go to create a video with AI. Before you get here, you may have to sign in. You can sign in. Don't be afraid to sign in, since this is a free site. Okay, so don't worry about signing in. So I go to create a video with AI. And the first step is I need to enter the title of my video. So I am going to enter something like My Life in Nature. And then all I need to do is to add media. So you just click here and you will go straight to your folder. You have to select where you kept the pictures for you to be able to enter, to put your pictures or video clips here. Okay, once I enter all my pictures, as you can see here, I simply have to click on Get Started. And here it asks me what style I have. I haven't been able to select any here, so I'm just gonna click on Choose for me. And the next one is, how do you want your video size? Is it going to be portrait, which is like how you take it from a cell phone, for instance, or landscape, which is the video that you saw? And then you decide how long the video should be. Is it going to be less than 30 seconds or full length? I am going to go with full length. And then I click on Next. Then I select what kind of music I want, right? So when I click on that arrow at the far right, you could see that there are different types of music here, and you can listen to them all you want. I am just gonna go with glitter because I heard it before and this makes more sense to me. And then finally, once it's done, all you gotta do, either you export or you edit in the timeline. If you select to edit in timeline, then here it is. You are able to make some changes in the pictures here. You see, you are able to remove them because those little parts here on the bottom can be changed, right, and removed. And on the left hand side here, you get to see the different artwork that you have here. If you want to add to the timeline this specific one, or if you want to remove it, you can as well. On the left hand side here, you could just start from scratch. So you could record and create, you could find different templates, you can add text, you can add transitions. This one here, my text is already here, My Life in Nature, which was what I chose, right? I selected before. And then you have your brand kit if you have a brand, and you have the colors for that brand. This is where you would add your brand kit, so the colors match with your brand for your company. And that's it. Once I am done, all I have to do, and notice here that I can click here and change things right on the video. No problem at all. You see, very easy to do. You can change and you can crop, you can fit, and there's more things that you can do. You can flip, you can rotate by 90 degrees, and you can put a picture in the picture, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, right? And there are also more options that you can see on the far right here. You can fade in, fade out, So there are effects that you can actually do to this video. But this isn't what we are going to do. Okay, I just wanted to show you how the AI part works. And you can then, once you create something like this, if you had problems before creating videos, didn't know how to do it, this is how you would get a very good start. And then I just click on export, and my video is exported in faster export would be 720p. So I'm gonna go with the faster export, and there it is. And there it is, everybody. This was a short video. I just wanted you guys to see how easy it can be for you to create a video on the go for free. Again, I am doing all this stuff that I am trying to find as much as I can for free, so you can still create videos, especially now that Christmas is coming, and in an easy way, just by using your pictures without having to pay anything. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you have a comment about how your video went, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing to this channel, I would really appreciate it, because every Monday I put up new videos for you to learn everything there is to learn about AI, one little video at a time. It was super nice talking to you today. See you next week. Until then, bye.